Today I'm going to show you a live IQ option trading binary option platform. So keep watching this video carefully. I am showing you the methodology on which I place the trade here. This is a strong candle. So on basis of analysis I will put the trade and I will show you on which basis I have placed the trade here. This is a strong candle and I have placed the trade uh, after after finding a reversal candle here. Since this is a strong momentum of buyers, but detachment candle may be occurred at that area only. That's why I have placed the trade in the lower direction for at least 1 minute. We should always trade in the direction of trade, but somehow you should also consider for the retracement candle, because here the market is showing the weakness of buyers. That's why I have placed here the trade in the lower direction for at least 1 minute. If this candle will make a weak red candle, then I will place the trade in up direction for the next candle. So here you can see this is the first winning trade, and you can see very easily that there was no level before. That's why I can't show you with the support and resistance, but here I want to show you that this candle is a sign and previous candle is a very strong candle. So this is almost a sign of a reversal, and this candle is in overbought zone. That's why I have placed the trade in the down direction, and first trade was winning trade. So as like let's find out the trade. First criteria, again in every video I told you that always trade in the direction of trade. See what happened here. This is a strong candle here, and always in the market if you find any strong candle and this strong candle meet outside of above Bollinger upper boundary of the Bollinger Band, then the next candle 70% chances to be reversal. And here you could say this is a shooting star candle, and likewise this is a falling down market. Always here this is a sign that market wants to go some more up. Okay, major trend is downtrend, but the minor trend in uptrend. So I will go with the minor trend. Here this candle shows weakness of sellers. This is the sign of weaker of the sellers. So in the next candle, if I found the opportunity, if I found a strong candle here, then I will place the trade in the up direction. But there is a problem again. No, this is not a good sign. Again, a lot of rejection from the sellers area. That's why I will not place the trade. I will wait. Okay, see here guys, this is coming in the down direction. So I will go. Okay, no, I was waiting for that candle to finish above that line, that so that I can place the trade with the safety of margin, but not meet opportunity here. This is a very strong candle. This was the spinning top, and it's a kind of some missing opportunity, because this is a good trade here, and this is a sign that market wants to go some more down. And you can see this is the major downtrend and minor trend as well with our favor. So here this is a lot of chances. Again I will go with sellers because still there is a level. So here I have placed the trade again in the lower direction, because you can see this is a lot of sellers pressures, and the next candle wall is still in the low. So I am going to supporting with the trend. That's why I have placed the trade, and this is a sign that market want to go some more down. So let's see the result. Here it has touched already, so this may be the green candle, but Still there is a chances that this candle will closed as a red candle due to this pressure, this selling pressure. If you find a good reason for trading in the direction of trend, then always put the trade, irrespective of finding that there is a rejection from the lower direction. But no problem, here it's a kind of winning trade, but this is a good luck, no problem. This is a win because of taking a trade with some of margin. Still here this is a level, but I will not taking this again and again at the same point. So let's find some another pair. I am trading in the good forex session market. Here a lot of VIX in the market, so this type of market you should avoid always. Here are some label, and major trend is uptrend, but minor trend is also in uptrend. But there is a label which are given the rejection from that area. So here I can go against a trend, but there is a very rejection. So I will not go against a trend. I will wait and I will find some another good trade. Guys, first always try to find out some good candlestick analysis, some good momentum candle. Here guys, this is the inside bar candlestick pattern, and before this you can see the very strong candle, and this candle is a sign of a reversal because this is a very strong candle. That's why here for 1 minute let's get the retracement candle, and again this is an inside bar candle, so it can't enough to stop the momentum of buyers here. That's why this candle has again put the market in the up direction. That's why I used to say that always go with the trend. Here I have some opportunity, but I think missed. No, I will not going to take the trade here because market is getting weaker here. So this may be chances that this candle will go in the down direction. So irrespective of indulging in the any emotions of the market, always follow your trading rules. So my second trading rules is always place the trade nearby support and resistance level, because here you can see again here this market is respecting. That's why I used to say that always trade nearby the support and resistance area. And our third criteria is to find out the confirmation. Here you can see the confirmation in the 5-second candle. I will show you here. This is the sign. This is the sign. Here the candle finishes in that area. Sorry, candle is finishes in that area here. Previous candle is finishes in that area, and next candle is making at this level, and this is the sign of entering the market because of this resistance area, and you can see the result here. This is the winning of trade. So always take the confirmation in a 5-second chart. If not sure, if you can't observe the rejection in the market, you always put 5-second candlestick. So the third criteria I covered, this is a confirmation. So always take confirmation in the market. So here this is uptrend market, and this candle shows that market wants to go some more up. So I will place the trade. Here there is a problem because of the sellers area. Here a lot of rejection in that area, so I will not place the trade against the trend here. This is a very ranging market, so it's not opportunity. Guys, always trade in the trendy market. Always try to find out the good market. Don't so hurry If I will find any trade, I will show you. This is the previous level. Always try to make a habit to draw a good level. Let's find some trade, uh, but there no level ahead, so I have to wait for this candle, for the previous candle to reach at that place, and then from here you can take the rejection strategy trade. Here is a very strong momentum of the buyers, so I will wait here to come this candle and getting weaker, then only I will put the trade in the up direction. So let's see the trade here. This is the good level, I think. Okay, I will place the trade here. Okay, still there is a level. Oh, sorry, time was over. That's why this trade was not placed, and this was my good luck that here I was going with the higher trade, but not placed. Otherwise, this will meet us loss. So here this is an engulfing pattern, and the next level is below. So I will go with sellers here. I will, but here there is a level. I will wait. I will take some confirmation from 5 seconds. No, it's a sign that market wants to push more up. So I will not going to place the trade. Okay, here this candle has filled this gap, so no problem. I will find some another trade. Here this is the SDJPY, and you can see the good level here. So if this candle will finishes at that area, so I will place the trade in the lower option. Here this candle is still showing that the market wants to go some more up again, because the next level was still ahead. So I can go with bias, but I want a rejection from that area, and I want to place the trade in the lower direction. So I am waiting for this candle to reach at that area, then only I will place the trade in the lower direction. Okay, still 5 seconds, there is no confirmation, there is no opportunity, so I will not place the trade. Let's find trade. Always wait for a good trade in the market. Don't so hurry. Let's trade, but do it more profitable. Don't try to make a habit of overtrade, because if you're going to trade over in the market, then you will find some losses and you will get demoralized. So always here's a very strong black cross patterns of the candlestick market. So here I can go with sellers, but there is a level. Okay, I'm trying to finding still for a good trade. I will place one more trade and I will close my session. This is 9:30, and at that time USD has this is a engulfing pattern, but it's not a good sign. There's a lot of rejection, lot of bids in the market. So I will place one more trade. I am waiting for this. As soon as I find this trade, then I will close this session. Okay, here the market not clear view. Here, if this candle will reach in that area, then I will place the trade in the upper direction, but not given this opportunity. So no problem, guys. I am still looking for trade. So I am still finding, still I am looking for trade. Okay, yes, okay, okay. Here I am going for trade in the lower direction because this candle says that market wants to go some more down, because this is a very strong down 10 candle, and this is the pattern the market is following. That's why I appreciate the trade in the down direction, and this will be the my last trade, and I will close this session because this video is getting some more longer. That's why I am closing this session. So guys, if you want to see the candlestick information in Hindi, so you can go in my playlist tab and you can see all the good candlestick analysis in Hindi. So guys, I hope you learn from these videos. So thanks for watching. Keep trading, keep learning, keep practicing on demo account, and take care. Bye bye.